We've got signal.
Yeah, I've got good signal.
She landed, isn't
Put the light on because it's a bit dark. That's better.
London, bro. Have you seen his gloves on?
Who's that?
What's that necklace? It's Christmas decoration. Oh, quality.
Sean, when you moved on that chair, did it knock?
What about that?
Do it again.
Knock
It went knock, knock, knock.
This is Christmas decoration.
Yeah, I see it, but it's really close.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Obviously, I can only see like one person watching at the moment. But anyway, just quickly, we've only just got into this place. We're in a big mansion. It's a big house tonight. It's a new place. So we don't know what we're going to get here. It's our first time, obviously. We've just set out the cameras and everything. We've just heard what we believe was a couple of knocks. So we're going to quickly start calling out, and then what I'll do a bit later, I'll show you around the place, okay? So let's do some calling out. I've got a lot to bloody go through. Spirit looks on in. Was you saying you wanted them to go to the basement? There's a car in there. What's that?
Hey.
Are you looking for your family? Did you hear that?
Did you?
I thought it was you.
No, it wasn't.
No.
Was it quite loud? Oh, I thought it was a voice.
Yeah, I did. I thought I
heard the knock.
All of our house. Hope you enjoyed it. Right, so hopefully we have captured some stuff tonight. I'm sure we have. Definitely been hearing a woman. 100% we've been hearing a woman's voice. Even if she was moaning or crying or whatever. So, but yeah. So thank you for watching. And I'm going to go and I will speak to you all later. Bye.